نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson 2. In this lesson we will learn how would you say in Arabic your book, your pen, your house, your masjid. It is also very easy. Book is kitabun. Just add kaf at the end of the word. It will become kitabuka, meaning your book. Kitabuka, meaning your book. And when you add kaf to kitabun, it will become kitabuka. The two dhamma or pesh will become one. Kitabuka. Kitabuka, your book. Kitabuka, your book. Kitabunka will be wrong. You cannot say kitabunka. When the kaf comes with it, it will be kitabuka. Kitabunka will be wrong. Kitabuka, your book. Now let's translate your pen, your house, and your masjid. Remember the formula? Just add kaf at the end of the word. Pen is qalamun. Your pen will be qalamuka. Qalamuka. House is baytun. Your house will be baytuka. Baytuka. Masjid is masjidun. And your masjid will be masjiduka. Masjiduka. Let's review. Book is kitabun, and your book is kitabuka. Kitabuka. Pen is qalamun, and your pen is qalamuka. Qalamuka. House is baytun, and your house is baytuka. Baytuka. Masjid is masjidun, and your masjid is masjiduka. Masjiduka. Remember, kaf with fatha comes for masculine or male, and kaf with kasra or zair comes for feminine or female. Remember this. Kitabuka, your book, is for masculine. Kitabuka, your book. Kitabuki, your book, for feminine. Kitabuki. So remember this. Kitabuka, your book, for masculine. You cannot say to a female kitabuka. It is wrong. And for female, it is kitabuki. To a male, you cannot say kitabuki, your book. This is wrong. So let's see the use of kaf for masculine. كيف حالك? How are you? أنا بخير. I'm fine. ما اسمك? What is your name? اسمي حامد. My name is Hamid. If you look at the kaf, it has fatha. That means the person is speaking to a male. So let's see the use of kaf for feminine. كيف حالك? How are you? أنا بخير. I'm fine. ما اسمك? What is your name? اسمي حامدة. My name is Hamida. So if you look, the kaf has kasra or zair. The person is speaking to a female. Remember that in reading or speaking, you don't say the harak of the last letter when you stop. For example, إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. And when you stop, you don't say the last haraka. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. You don't say نستعين. You stop. It becomes sakin. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. So same thing in Arabic. كلامك will become qalamuk. Masjiduka will become masjiduk. Baytuki will become baytuk. Kitabuki will become kitabuk. So no matter if you're speaking to a female or a male, when you stop, it will be sakin. Let's see the use of ka in the Quran. Rabbuka, your Lord. Rabbuka, your Lord. Ilahuka, your God. Ilahuka, your God. Min ibadika, from your slaves. Min ibadika, from your slaves. One more thing to remember, that kaf also gives you the meaning of you. If kaf has fatha, it comes for masculine, male. If kaf has kasra, it comes for feminine, female. Let's see the use of ka in the Quran. Iyyaka na'budu, only you we worship. Iyyaka na'budu, only you we worship. Innaka, indeed you. Innaka, indeed you. Subhanaka, glory be to you. Subhanaka, glory be to you. Here the kaf has the meaning of you. Min ba'di ma ja'aka min al-ilm, after what has come to you of knowledge. Min, from, ba'di, after. Ba'di, after, ma, what, ja'aka, came to you. Ja'aka, came to you. Min, from, al-ilm, the knowledge. Al-ilm, the knowledge. Here if you look in ja'aka, the kaf is giving the meaning of you. Ja'aka, came to you. قال إني جاعلك للناس إماما. He said, indeed, I will make you a leader for the people. قال, he said. قال, he said. إني, indeed I. إني, indeed I. جاعلك, make you. جاعلك, make you. للناس, for the people. للناس, for the people. إماما, a leader. Imama, a leader. If you look here in ja'iluka, the kaf is giving you the meaning of you. Ja'iluka, make you. And let's see the use of ki in the Quran. قال يا مريم أن لك هذا. He said, O Maryam, from where did you have this? قال, he said, يا مريم, O Maryam, أن, where? Lucky for you. Lucky for you. هذا, this. أن لك هذا, from where did you have this? If you look, the key is coming for female. Lucky for you. Speaking to a female, and that female is Maryam. قال يا مريم أن لك هذا. He said, O Maryam, from where did you have this? Rules to remember, that kaf gives you the meaning of your and you for masculine, male. And kaf with z or kasra gives you the meaning of your and you, feminine, female. And also remember, when you add kaf to kitabun, then it will become kitabuka. The two dhamma becomes one. Kitabuka. Kitabunka will be wrong. That is it for this lesson. It is your time to study and practice now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And ring the bell for the upcoming videos. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.